clot when I borrow my money and I beg up my blood clot money. I'm not getting none of my money. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I put I love Queenie, you see. Yeah. And whatever I make her spend and gone, it for spend and gone. Whatever they move on the blood. Yeah. Come here, them I say the woman come with Lasco. I say, truth or fall, I don't know. But if that's the case, the world too crazy for you not be clued up. So you as a woman go down for a holiday, you should have been smart, wise. Somebody will get something like Lasco, tell them you will buy it. So if you not put yourself first, you got people are going to put you second. And that's what happens if that's the case. Me can't judge a girl when you munch. I don't know if nothing goes. So I'm busy with them. I just say. When me look on that, every time I come Jamaica, I leave, I come up and someone say, Queen, you can't bring 2 bleaching cream. I'm not in all. I say, if you give me the money for buy them, I will bring them. But I'm not taking some people. I expect people to, so when I sit on a class, me and I type about blood clot, me there 100 million head on. I want to sit down on a plan for me to tell them so me I carry drugs. Or me I come to airport with this. I'm a mouth and my blood clot drugs and I can't catch me with no Lasco. None of them can pussy clot take me and do me and set me up. Cause the most illegal blood clot part for me is my mouth. Mouthy lippy. Me, my mouth, defensible with my mouth. None of blood clot. I know for save and wipe my splitter. Some other don't even know about blood clot rainy day. I know if I put one pan of water, I will say add them. You know if you care nothing for people. Who does that know that? Even Lasco. So your common sense never tell you, sir. I just find it stupid on the 2 blood clot side. And I say I'm going munch. I don't give a fuck in my opinion. I must say I'm munch planet. I went up at a clot which I know. Because that don't make no pussy clot sense. Yeah? I saw people fool. DJ Friday, you know. And then every time when I see blood clot, I want to write on it. Queenie, you should have do this. Queenie, you should have do it that way. How the fuck me if you know what you want me to do when me don't do it already and then not talk about me? Don't take nothing from anyone. Simple. Look for me, one of that say my hole. Me get dumped. Me this, me that. You think nobody could have get that all full of blood clot? Lasco, me ask son of biz. She gullible. Me say if I see her, I get her 2 blood clot gladiator. I say I live for that my family, as me see her and I go visit her, me just start fight her. She know, don't mind blood clot people. People deceiving. You hear me? You see that internet, you fake. People sit down and twisting just to make things be alright. Me not do it with nobody. God Almighty truth. Enough people sign up for things and when at a clap come then blame people and can't take blame for it, you know. That's all like I show blood clot munch planet. You could have so fool them say, oh, she not get stay how long. So I'm to UK by the force. You don't watch none of them some dollar long you there in England. You just sit down innocent making months to tell us if I go pick up Lasco and you go up here with your pitney them. Me don't serve for blood clot you cause you fool no fuck. All me and my pitney them I'ma come and see I'ma fight you. Me don't care enough. I'm my opinion that. No, you see me? One of that class, I'm very protective of my blood clot pitney them. Me not take check with my kids them. You said me and my pitney them I travel at different blood clot scenario. So me I go travel with my pitney them I make somebody give me something for carry. You know, consider say mankind dangerous or well things are going on in the world. Plus me and my pitney them I travel. When I believe that I shall make fool them fool. Tricky them, trick blood clot, tricky don't mind blood clot. Them I throw at a class which I know to draw munching and alone never want to take it. I plan the whole of them blood clot planet. Me not believe say somebody really so fool in this day and age. But me know, it burn me like I'm a cousin, cause if I really put it this way, say she really gets set up. Cause she can do get set up, but me don't believe. You understand me? But what may I say? The fact that you open out your pussy and take fucking it. Listen to me, everybody blood clot different, you know, but me ignorant and I mean, you know. You open up your pussy and you take fucking it as a woman. That's a ledger. When you fuck, you get like a pain. But when that baby growing in your belly with 9 months or whatever months, that emotion growing in your belly, and you know, so this baby is going to be priority. Then you have the baby and the baby for grow. Then after the baby for grow you there England, cause you know so like it's a band blood clot English, them say you're Jamaican. Forget your steer. With all the way you go through, forget your blood clots there. You don't have no common sense to know say. People put people things under the first thing them ask you in a when you come says nobody give you anything for carry or anything in your suitcase, or even if you not travel for all these years. You don't honestly me titty nipple? Why in a line for a true no know? All these years they have come through immigration. If you there in Ghana, you not travel. I know say UK border force dep on TV every blood clot week. And it show you different mean. I think the fucking woman make up with Munchie. The one on that jump back and then blood clot Munchie. Me not follow nobody and judge nobody and crucify nobody, so. I think in my opinion, she make up with Munchie and two things that two shall have the pity them shall get through with it. And when Atta clap stick her, she said, no, me alone now bird that beer. Me a draw blood clot Munchie. Woman, too pitty fool, sir. Yes, she can fool, you know, but me still have to question it. Maybe she trusts her enough. Trust her. Maybe we have to look on it too. You don't look on say Munchie just set her up, sir. Look on it so they are blood clot, consider it. Me have a friend right now, if more on the Ras clot land for lift up, she lift up the land for me and me no ask her, she go lift it up. And when Atta clap come, she ball. That's how some people is. They like to put themselves into things that when pressure take them. Me don't know, me just I say, it just sound dumb to me, just the fact that she have a kitchen. What I say about me titty nipple, them not out. Me titty nipple them pierce long time and my pussy clit too. I never know that. My hot girl, yeah. Listen, the woman can't innocent, but me just see say, when you have your kids them, you're more cautious and well, maybe she not value her youth them, but me look on it as a mother aspect. The chance of me take when my kids them not there, there's certain things me not do around my kids them, you understand me? With my kids them, so me I look on her in that manner, so then she have two pitney. She not conscious of somebody at Jamaica says she gonna bring something for her. What says Lasco? Listen what name in a Lasco. Let's not speculate. Then no, speculate I'm Munchie Garrett and Charlie. Wall away a blood clot speculate. Go and leave me, make me speculate when more speculate. I two sides me step on. I just have to throat all my time. I know enough people that on this call me and say, Queenie, you can't bring up something for me. I say, I'm not texting some people, you know. So I'm just saying, with all that time with me there on Instagram, she must dep on blood clot Instagram and see me Queenie on Instagram. If nobody not see nobody else, them see me on Queenie on Instagram. I talk how them say me I carry drugs and I say, hey, me I carry one blood clot, 10K drugs. Tell them to look out for me. You know, you're none of them, the lady that you wasn't aware you're so innocent. Me not like that, so woman not for blood clot fool. So you know you skin out your blood clot pussy, you have to protect your pitney them. You have to depend your peas and your blood clot clothes. And when you hide to pussy clot and a wine and a cocky sweet you them. You have to protect your blood clot kids them, and that's what I don't understand. So that's why I can speculate say short you shoplifter and drug dealer. What? Short you shoplifter and drug dealer sell. Come love more, me go block you. Me not just do blood clot the drugs dealing. Move your blood clot. When me come a blood clot England, me used to be a drugs mold. Pussy old girl, none of blood clot and I can't draw me out. Me is what my blood clot is. I see if me I go be do drugs, me I go be a drugs cartel, not a drugs blood clot dealer. Move on a dirty blood clot. No can't pin nothing upon blood clot. Me not do drugs. My mouth have my own blood clot drugs. Squat. At that me I get paid for throughout the world. Move on a dirty blood clot. Who want marry me? Queenie, I want a blood clot. Hey, a beer man want me, you know. But me don't want nobody. Me have to just go and relax myself, you know. Find my little self. Me don't want nobody. Me alright. Me like invested in myself alone. Move on a blood clot. On a drugs blood clot. Mule and drug dealer. Me not gonna be no drug dealer. Me gonna be drugs cartel. Big blood clot deal. You hear that? Yeah. Have people that send keys and tons. None of blood clot and I can't set me up. Me too pure and natural. If someone loud and half full and like to be blood clot scene, nobody can give me no Lasco. Hold on. You think the government can't do me nothing because of me attack one pixie? Eh? Them can't lock me up and arrest me. I free them a blood clot speech. This and I have to catch more drugs. When I have to catch more drugs, I'm gonna do blood clot drugs. So next all if me someone be a drugs blood clot cartel that is want to be. My bad na blood clot. Freedom of speech. No bad me for me style for my blood clot. I'm gonna go on a space. I'm sure for hype. My